All right, guys, here's today's assignment. Rear brake shoes on this Civic. They sound awful. She's been dodging this thing for a few weeks now, and here's all the new products. All four shoes, two drums. And this set supposed to include some hardware, but it's not in here, so she's got to go buy some. And most importantly, some brake clean, brand new can. Around. So I'm currently jacking it up right now. Got to get another jack stand. I'll do this side first on camera, then I'll do that side on camera. Let me show you guys where I'm jacking up at. A safe place to jack this vehicle up from the back, and a safe place to put both jack stands at. It's the perfect place to jack this thing up in the rear. Just right behind the gas tank. You want to make sure you don't puncture that gas tank. So this is where it's at. As far as the jack stands, you want to be right here between those arms. So let me get the other jack stand right there. Yeah, we're gonna start this side first, and then I'll do that side of the camera. I also want to mention front wheel. I talk about these a lot on my channel. These chocks, I got a few different sets. They're super inexpensive. They're made out of rubber. They grip to any surface. I'm not going anywhere. All right, guys, let's get started. Overcast, and I think it's gonna rain. So let's do this really quickly. Show you guys how I do it, or how I've been doing it since I was a kid working on cars. Listen to this. Oh, these things are terrible. She's had this car for 2 years, almost 3 years, and she's never touched these brakes. So obviously someone replaced all this stuff. This is new. These are, look at the springs. They look new. The brake adjuster looks new. The wheel cylinder looks new. All the springs. Oh man, let me call real quick and tell them we're good. I'm not worried about these retainer springs. We're gonna get those off. Yeah, not bad. Let me call real quick. I'll be back, guys. So this is what she was hearing. There's nothing here. It's all metal. All right, let's remove these things. right, a couple things we're gonna do really quick, but I just want to note both of these shoes are symmetrical. You don't have to worry about mixing them up or try to figure out which fixed rear direction, and they're both identical. All right, so we want to clean these up. Don't have to. We don't have to worry about these. This is just optional. All right, the next thing we're gonna do, some kind of multi-purpose lithium grease. I bought this about 20 years ago, and you guys can see I'm at the end of the road. Still some more there, goes a long way. I just want to put something here and on these threads. You don't need much. We're gonna twist this all the way in. I'm screwing counterclockwise. About right there, it's fine. Gonna push that on, smooth. All right, let me show you guys the next thing we're gonna do. Right there. All right. We can let that sit like that using brake cleaner. A bit more cleaning before we go back with everything. Make sure the shoe is under here. I want to note that. On both sides. It tucks here. I'm gonna turn this pin vertically. Let's do that now. Like so. I'm gonna place it just like this, and we're gonna fish for it with the needle nose pliers. Hold it in the back. I may have to move that clamp down again, so that's okay. All right. I'm gonna turn the needle nose pliers like so. We're gonna fish for that. Push in. Rotate. That's it. Needle nose pliers. Got our brake adjuster. The long side goes here. Short side goes in the back of there. I'll put it here. Don't worry about this yet. All right, we can let that sit there. We can now remove the clamp. The next thing we want to do is hook our spring here. Stay behind here. Like so. Come up. Just use a screwdriver to help us lift this in place. Now, we can get our clamp. That's it. Other pin, like so. Face it vertically. All right, we're vertically. And we're gonna do the same thing with the needle nose pliers. We're gonna push in and fish for that. Rotate it like that. You can install this. This spring first.
I forgot the door. How many sodas do we have?
I paused here because when you hook that spring in, the left shoe may have came up a little bit like this, or even when you just maneuvering the brake shoe, just push it down to be even with that wheel cylinder, as you will see in this very next clip. All right, now we can inspect everything before we put the drum on and make the adjustments. Everything is all good. All good. Let's adjust this drum. We want a somewhat snug fit. Come outside. I may have to adjust it in some because the shoes that were on here were worn, so of course, and these are thicker drums, so the adjuster screw may have to kind of always be in. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta adjust this in some. All right, let's try right there. Nope, still snug fit. A little bit more. Let's try right there. That may be it. Yeah, that's it. All right, that's it. That's it, guys. All right, let me put the wheel back on, and then I'll do the other side, then we'll be back for a test drive. All right, I'm done. It didn't rain after all. The skies got a little bit better, but I still kind of rushed it. Both sides are done. Another flawless install for the channel. Both of them are in the same condition. New rear brakes. Now I'm just doing regular inspection, checking all the fluids and stuff, and making sure the brake fluid is fine. Although we haven't leaked anything out, it's still kind of cool to check the level. Now I'm just gonna check the transmission fluid, just natural things, just because it's got a habit of checking everything out. Just don't fix the problem and leave the car alone. I just try to inspect everything, so if I do see a problem, I can address it or at least mention it to the customer. All right, guys, it's a wrap for this video. I guess you can pump them up when you get in here. You don't have to with the rear brakes. Can pump them. They feel incredible, you know, already. But yeah, you can pump them before you drive. And yeah, make sure everything's okay. But yeah, it's a wrap for this one. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Terrence, I'm out.